Eminence X5 and Larry Word here, coming to you from Death Valley, California. Giving you a trip update. Thought I'd get you guys caught up on what's going on. There's been a slight delay because of a couple things. I've been sick. I'm over that now. I still have a little scratchy throat, but I'm over that now. Other things going on, work. I'm doing a lot more work, and the X5, the Eminence X5 is getting worked on. Missed out on a couple Explorers already just because the X5's down, but it's getting repaired. Needed overdue repairs. There's stuff like a lot of the rubber hoses need to be changed out. Anything kind of rubbery has to be changed out. That includes the weather stripping that's around the car. A lot of those have perished. This heat really got to the car, and the car is already pretty old. But it's also a delay in me getting out exploring. But I have been doing Explorers and some videos. I just haven't been cranking them out as fast as I normally would. My work's increased as well. I'm actually doing quite a bit more work at the greenhouse, and I'm actually enjoying that quite a bit. So that's taking a little bit of my time. But I'm putting the car back together. My Explorers are coming back together again, and we're getting that.
We're putting the band back together.
Forget it. No way. We're on a mission from God.
Stay tuned. I'm also starting up a Patreon page, so if you'd like to try and support what I'm doing here, please contribute that way. You can also contribute through PayPal. Details below. Some of the things that I'm doing with the X5 is I'm actually putting some wheel spacers. So that, along with some all-terrain tires. That's just to get me a little safer further out. Removing the spare from inside the car, probably going to be placing it on the top or outside somewhere. In the meantime, it's too big to fit in the hole that's inside the car. However, it opens up more space to store stuff, so that's good. Two options for the spare wheel. You can either do a swing out gate on the back of the car where I can mount that to, or I can mount it to the top of the car on a rack. Not quite sure which I'm doing. I'm actually making a custom luggage rack for the top of the car so I can better secure the Yakima rails, as well as make a pull-out for the solar. It's going to live underneath the. I'm going to take one of the panels and have it on a roller underneath the sky case. So that's the update, and if you have any questions, suggestions, places to go, stuff like that, restaurants I should frequent, please leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to I read all these comments, so please leave some. I do read those, and I do find them warming, so